Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a collection of insightful phrases and idioms starting with the letter D. These expressions are not just words, they carry stories, meanings and cultural insights that enrich our everyday conversations. Let's explore their definitions and examples together. The very first is dance to one's tune. It means to behave according to someone else's wishes or commands. For example, he refused to dance to his boss' tune and quit the job. Next is deal with. It means to handle, manage or address a situation, task or a person. For example, she is skilled at dealing with difficult customers. Another one is devoid of. It means completely lacking in something empty or absent of. For example, the report was devoid of any useful information. Another one is dig one's own grave. It means to do something that will cause one's own failure or ruin. For example, by ignoring his health, he is digging his own grave. Another one is do without. It means to manage or cope without something that is usually considered necessary or desirable. For example, during the blackout, we had to do without electricity. Next is drawback. It means to move back, retreat or recoil. For example, she drew back in fear when the dog barked loudly. Next is draw the line. It means to establish a limit or boundary that should not be crossed. For example, I don't mind helping, but I draw the line at lending money. And last one is drop in. It means to visit informally or without an appointment. For example, feel free to drop in anytime you are in the neighborhood. And there you have it, our journey through essential phrases and idioms beginning with D. From dance to one's tune to drop in, these expressions add color and depth to English language. Which of these resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more enriching linguistic explorations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the world of language with us. Thank you for watching.